Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to knit these popcorn stitches, which is a 5-strand popcorn stitch, giving a really beautiful texture. And this is used in the Lavender Dreams baby blanket on Etsy, which you see here. It is a knitting pattern, and you see in the middle is a motif recessed of lavender and some moons, and the entire outside border is these popcorn stitches with some dotted line design. So I'm going to go ahead and show you, get my gauge swatch, show you how to make these beautiful popcorn texture stitches here. Okay, so we've already done another video showing you how to do this butterfly stitch, which is that part right there in the middle of the lavender bundle. So feel free to check out that video too if you're interested. But I'll just use the same swatch to show you how to do these popcorn stitches here. So it's a really easy 2-row stitch. So I'm just going to knit to some arbitrary place in the middle. Let's just go to the same place as this butterfly stitch here. Okay, so we're going to make this next stitch our popcorn stitch here. To do that, we're just going to knit in the front, knit in the back of the same stitch, yarn over, and then again knit through the front and knit through the back. So we've made one stitch now into these 5 stitches here on my pointer finger, and we're just going to let that stitch go off the needle. So that's our 5 stitches from one stitch. And now we can go ahead and continue the rest of the row 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we've done 8 stitches. Turn our work to the wrong side and go ahead and we're going to purl because we're doing stockinette for this swatch. So purl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And these next 5 stitches you see here are part of that one stitch. You can see it coming out of that stitch for our popcorn. So we're just going to purl 5 together. So make sure you're getting the right stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and insert our needle through them all and carefully try to get the purl stitch. There we go. So there's our purl. Yoink them off, and that is the stitch. I'll show you once we finish the rest of this row what it looks like from the right side. All right, go ahead and swap that around, and there's our little popcorn stitch. So you can see he's nice and textural. He sticks out a little bit from the rest of the knit fabric here. And sometimes the popcorns do recess a little bit. You see some of them are bigger than others. It depends on your tension too, of course, but you can see from the back side, he's just popped out a little bit more on the back for whatever reason. You can encourage them to go forward a little bit more. Yeah, but that is the popcorn stitch. Really easy, 2 rows, and yeah, they're very fun to make. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're interested in checking out this Lavender Dreams baby blanket, it is Whitetail Stitch Co. on Etsy, and again, it's just the Lavender Dreams baby blanket on there. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.